Build your Willys steering gear rebuild. To begin, insert the outer sector shaft bushing into the steering gearbox, tamping it down flush. Repeat this process on the inside of the steering gearbox with the inner bushing. Next, insert the sector shaft oil seal. Slide and place the lower cover and horn wire tube in the steering gearbox. Next, place a race at the end of the tube and worm gear. While holding the race steady, load in the worm gear ball bearings, securing the race with a snap ring. Repeat this process with the second race at the opposing end of the worm gear. Slide the tube and worm gear onto the horn wire tube and into the gearbox, making sure it turns easily. Slide on your shims and align the openings to the steering gearbox. Next, add and align the steering gear side cover. Tighten the shims and cover down together with lock washers and bolts. Insert the upper steering column bearing and snap ring into the top of the outer steering column tube. Thread the horn cable through the horn button spring and spring seat. Slide the upper steering column bearing spring over the end of the gearbox tube and insert the horn cable and button assembly. Slide a clamp over the bottom of the outer steering column tube, securing it with a bolt. Insert the sector shaft into the gearbox housing to engage it with the worm gear. Apply gasket sealer, then bolt the side cover and gasket onto the steering gearbox to finish.